Welcome to a new week. We're still in Unit 4, Week 13. Let's see what you have to do. Day 1, Monday, May 10th. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click Async. You have two activities in Async. The first activity is page 68 and 69. You will listen to the article and complete 2B and 3A and B. Take a picture and upload your activity. Second activity, Nearpod on using Would You Mind? So you'll go through the Nearpod. Okay, click join lesson and just read and take notes a lot of the times. Then you're going to answer this question. Okay, and you continue to read and take notes. Watch this video. Read and take more notes, read and take more notes, read and take more notes. Answer another question. Okay. Read and continue to take notes. Do a quiz. That's it. It's Monday. That means we have Zoom class together. So let's go to sync. So we're going to do page 68 and do a practice in order to and review, introduce, Would You Mind? And that's it for today. Good luck.